What's up, Pyros? Just got everything ignited and wired for the show for the 4th. This is just some of it, what this Texas 5 are doing this year. This is over 70 something cakes, 500s, 200s. It goes back. We got a whole bunch. This one right here is a new one. That's a good one from AFW. It's a nice hard hitter. Big old brakes. So's D-Day. Got some red apple stuff. Got the speakers ready. Like I said, this is just part of it. We'll have a whole lot more. West Texas Pyro bring stuff. This is D-Town Pyro stuff too. Some of his stuff is in here. We got Jonathan the Slice Master doing a whole lot of canister shells. So we got some good cakes in there. Some good ones back in there. So it's a little unorganized right now, but I'm about to box her up. Everything's ready. Everything's labeled. What cues, what rows. Everything's labeled, ready to go. So when we put it out in the field, it'll be a little easier. Y'all know how down here in Texas it's freaking hot. So the most work you can do inside is the best. All right, Pyro out, Texas 5.